Hello everyone and welcome to Mid-Program Workshop Session 3. In this video I'm going to show you how to create and submit your project portfolio page. So first let's go into Mid-Program Workshop. This submission will be in Session 3. So after completing the first video, reviewing the Community Action Project advice, reviewing video 2, and associated worksheets, you'll find the section here on how to create and submit your project portfolio page. Your project portfolio page will be a page you create on the CLI, which you can share externally and internally, and your advisor and your peers can comment on it. It will have basic information about your project, and the CSP team will use this information from your page to create your poster for the EOP poster show. You will see a few links here, and I'll run through them. So the first is the project profile template page. So this is your project profile template. Here you'll upload a profile photo. Please use your IREX profile photo. You'll input some basic information about yourself and your fellowship, your name, country, thematic area, host organization, home organization, as well as your project summary, which will be about 2 sentences long. And later I'll show you a quick example of a project profile page. Additionally, there'll be some information, they'll ask for some information about the community context, project description, which can include things like partnerships, funding, how you're going to do your monitor and evaluation. On the right side, you'll see an area for your project goal, project objectives. Below, you'll see a box for beneficiaries, talking about direct and indirect beneficiaries. And then here you can upload an action photo, any photo that you'd like. And in the bottom here, you'll see something called the Community Action Implementation Plan Template. So you'll download this document, fill it out, and re-upload it as a PDF. I'll show you how to do that later, but this is what the document will look like. Basic information about yourself, the project, the what, the who, when it's due, how to support it, and resources you'll need. So let's go back to the profile page example here. So I've made a profile page example, and I've added some information about myself and a hypothetical Community Solutions Program fellowship along with the project. So I have the title up here. I have my information as well as a possible host organization, a home organization, an example of what a project summary would be. What's important to note is that for the leadership profile information and the project summary information, we will be using this information to create your posters for the end of program poster show. So as you submit the information here, we'll use it exactly as is and put it onto your poster. And then below you can see I just added some information about the community context of my project, a budget under the project description, the goal, the objectives, a picture, beneficiaries, and you'll notice although I did not fill it out, it's now a PDF, and I'll show you a little bit later how to submit this as a PDF so it will be on your page. At the bottom you'll also notice that there's an area for comments. So this is where you'll find comments from your advisor as well as your peers. Okay, the next link is the project profile page submission link. You're all familiar with this course. This is where you've submitted your work plan. So here is where you'll actually submit your project profile page. So before you submit your project profile page, I need to show you how to create it. So here you'll click here to create your profile page. Now here you'll see a list of pages that you can copy. So the first thing you're going to do is go up into the corner and type in project. Find the project profile template by the CSP builder. And this is the page you'll want to copy. So now you've copied the project profile template. You can change the name to whatever it may be. You can add a page description, and once you're finished with your title and description, you'll save. So here you'll see that template that I showed you before. And this is where you'll submit all of your information. So things to note about this page. To edit any box, you'll simply click up in the right-hand corner where it says Configure X block. So for your profile photo, you'll want to upload a file. So you'll upload your IREX profile photo here. You'll click Browse, you'll upload it, you'll find it in your documents, and then you'll save. If you so choose, you can put a title at the top of the block. I chose to keep it blank. The same thing goes for the other sections that are not pictures. So for your leader profile, you'll go in, type your name, type all of your information, and then click Save. The same goes for these boxes. These are all text boxes. This is a photo box, similar to the IREX profile photo. And here you'll see the Community Action Implementation Plan. So if you click on it and download it, it will come up in a Word document and you'll fill this out. I don't know, do research. So then you'll save this. You'll save this as a PDF. So this is the PDF version. So now to upload this, you're going to go to My Files, PDF, click and hold and drag the box over, and you'll see little boxes pop up for where you want to place it. So go to PDF. It'll ask you again to upload a file. I think in Downloads. So write Community Action Implementation Plan 1. You can name it that. You can say Community Action Implementation Plan. You'll save it, and you'll see it comes up as a PDF here as opposed to a file here. So once you've uploaded the PDF version, you can just simply delete the box that has the actual file. So we ask that you keep the format the same. Please don't change around the boxes and where they go. And then you'll go to Share Page. And this is extremely important because here you're going to be sharing it, one, with the public so that you can share this page externally, and two, you're going to be sharing it with the 2017 CSP Leader Group. So one, public. Simply click Public and it will automatically be allowed to be shared with people who are not on OPA. Next, you'll share it with the 2017 CSP Leaders. This will make sure that it's shared with the group page so that all of your peers can view it and add comments. Then you'll go down to Advanced Options. Make sure that Allow Comments is clicked. That way that your advisor and your peers can actually make comments. Please do not click the Moderate Comments or Allow Copying. Then you'll click Save. So now you've created, it'll come up here as My Project. So once you've created the project profile page, you're going to go back into Mid-Program Workshop to where the link said project profile page submission link. You'll click on that submission link. Like I said, you're familiar with this course page where you submitted your work plan. You'll click on the project profile page. And I've already gone in and added a couple attempts, but this should say add new attempt. So this was the example I had created before, but let's just submit the new page that I created called My New Project. So now you've submitted it for grading, so we'll know that you've submitted it on time, and from there your advisor and your colleagues can comment on it, and you can review their comments and change your project profile page as you see fit. So going back to the mid-program workshop page. So here again, you'll find all of the links, and all in the video will be here on how to create your project profile page. So now you'll want to know, if I want to change it, how do I revisit my page? So you're going to want to go to the 2017 CSP Leaders group. You'll see click below to see your pages. So click here. And here you're going to see a list of all of your pages. So I'll go back to the example that I made. And because this is my page, you'll see up in the right-hand corner it says edit this page. So maybe I want to edit the project summary or the community context. You'll click edit this page. And that is how you'll be able to go back in and edit any of the comments or any of the boxes. To leave the edit view, simply click display page. So I hope you have a better understanding of how to create your project profile page. There's the template that you can review. There's the project profile page example that you can review. If you're having technical difficulties, as always, feel free to email me, and we can work together to figure out all of your technical issues. So thank you for listening.